people, it's Matt here from Matt Carve. So today I'm going to carve this epic Viking brush just from a normal standard wooden brush I found around the house. So I'm going to carve that and it's going to be pretty cool. But I'm going to show you how to put in these little inlays that I do with bronze welding rods. I'm going to tell you where you can get these for free. Yes, that's right, for free. And I think anyone can probably get them for free. Okay, so let's get carving.
Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O.N. to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated, y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance. But his lines are overhead, better check the air for clearance. Call the tower, this is our credit. He the heir apparent, really I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been severed, I'm raising the bar, you can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast, time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving, I think about time that somebody go get them their coat. You know I got all that anthem, come back in, what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with masters, getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive, I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time, this is forever, remember the legend, he never gon' die, I ain't bigger dead than alive, bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive, dead than alive, I ain't bigger dead than alive, bigger dead than alive, Just making sure that you know why, because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. You know that this right here forever. No surrender, it's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender, it's forever. You know this right here forever. I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid us. Got something to say to me, say. You know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, then wait. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take us a year. Love when they hated me, put that on everything. Not on my level. You can be the end.
Okay, so we're on to the inlays, and this is my whole box of bronze inlays that I got for free. And what I did was I just went and saw a friend, and he said he was going to throw them all out. Now my friend, he works at a foundry making bronze artworks, and they're welding rods, so they weld with them. And when they get to a certain point, they just get too hot to hold because they're too close to the flame, and they just throw them out. Okay, so the key is just find your local art foundry and be nice to them, and they should give you some of these. Okay, so here I am cutting the welding rods with the Dremel cutter, and you can see there I've got the box from the Dremel parts, and I'm using the clear bit just as a protector, because what happens is the bronze bits fly up and usually go down your top or into your pants, and then you'll jump around because they're extremely hot. It's always a good idea to wear a leather glove when you're holding them as well. That protects you from the heat. And you can see I'm hammering it in there. I've put a bit of glue in, and now I'm just sanding it off. I don't even wait for the glue to dry because it melts anyway, because it gets so hot. So, and then it'll just reset.
You know that this right here forever. No surrender, it's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender, it's forever. You know this right here forever.
Okay, so that ending was quite epic. What do you think, Amelia? Yeah, I think she thinks it's a little bit too epic. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, we'll see you guys later.